Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to model simple 2D structures using Staad Pro. It's an introduction course and let's jump in straight. So now you can go click on new project, click on space, and then you can give it a name, project 001. So let's go. Alright, now you need to check your location where you want to save it. Also, you need to check on your units and the forces units. I'm using meters and kilonewtons, the metric system. If you are using the empirical system, you can choose the pounds and the inches and foot, and now click on next. So I have saved another file like that, so I just override it. Alright, now click on next. So this is quite easy. You can change your view if you want to, if you are dealing with a 2D kind of a structure. Just come to this over here, these buttons over here. Currently, it is at this isometric view. You can see it. If I click it, it's right over there. But now, if you want kind of a front view, you can click on here, and now you get it. So these grids are in the y direction, in the x direction. You can see over here. This is the y direction, and this is the x direction. So now, if you want to customize the spacing, you see currently it's at 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter in both direction. You get to this point, you click on edit. Once here, you can see this option spacing and it's currently at 1 meter. We can do 0.5 and 0.5 for both sides. Then click on OK. Now you can see it's 0.5, 1 meter with the spacing for both sides of 0.5 meters. Now let's go to the actual modeling. We'll first do a simple structure, a simple kind of a frame, and now let's get into it. So what you need to do is just, you see you have some nodes that snap, right? So you just click on, once you have a black cross, you click there. And then depending on the height of your member, let's assume we have a column of 3 meters. We click here and we are good. You can click on escape. And then if you want to create another member, just come here and click on snap node or beam. And then you can click here and then you click here. And then you can end it and then you can click on escape. All right, if now you want to add another member right over here, just click here, then you click right over here and right over here, and we are good to go. Once we are done, assuming we are done with it, you can just click on close, and now your grid layout will disappear. And now here are your members. All right, now let's try something a bit more complicated. Let's try a truss. So let's delete this one, just select it, and then select and click on delete. All right, then you can confirm the prompt. All right, now let's return our grid prompt again. It's right over here. So next time you get it disappears and you don't know where to track it, it's right over here. Snap node beam, just click here. And now it's back. Now let's do it again. Let's create our columns which are supposed to support our truss. Let's assume it's a height of 2 meters, quite a short column, but it's hypothetical. And now it's running for maybe up to 2.5 meters, so that's a 2 meter span. Then you can click here, then you can click on escape. So now let's assume it's running to here, then the other side to here. So let's snap node beam, click here, click right over there. You don't have to escape, you can run to the next, and then if we are done, you can click on escape. Let's now snap again. Let's introduce our bottom code. You click here and you click here and we are good to go. You can click on escape. If you want to introduce some center members, you can come here, snap node beam again. Then you need to click here, then you click here. All right. Also, you don't need to escape. You can just get it back over here if you need it. Then come here, then right over there. And we are done. And now that's our simple truss. Doesn't look really like a truss, but that's our simple. So that's basically how you model 2D frames on Staad Pro. And this is the first episode of the introduction. Next sections I will teach you how to introduce the supports, add the loads, and do the analysis and design, and finally work out a great report. So thank you very much.